Okay, imagine this. You're crossing the street, scrolling your phone, and suddenly a car honks. You freeze, look up, and step back just in time. That quick moment of focus, control, and decision-making. That's your prefrontal cortex kicking in, the pilot of your brain, pulling everything together when it really matters. Your prefrontal cortex, or PFC, sits right behind your forehead. It's part of your frontal lobe, and it's one of the most advanced areas of the human brain. Think of it as your brain's control room. It helps you plan, focus, make choices, and stop yourself from doing things you'll regret later. Here's what your prefrontal cortex does every single day. It helps you plan, like when you decide what to wear or how to spend your weekend. It helps you focus, blocking out distractions when you're studying or working. It helps you control impulses, like not yelling when you're angry or not eating that extra slice of cake. It helps you make decisions, balancing logic, emotion, and what feels right. Basically, it keeps your life from turning into chaos. Your prefrontal cortex doesn't work alone. It's always chatting with other parts of your brain. The amygdala sends its emotional alerts like, "I'm scared," or "I'm angry." The hippocampus reminds it of what happened the last time something similar occurred. And then your prefrontal cortex steps in and says, "Okay, let's think before we react." It's the middle ground between emotion and logic, between impulse and control. Now, here's something fun. The prefrontal cortex takes the longest to develop. It doesn't fully mature until your mid-20s. That's why teenagers can be emotional, impulsive, or take risks because their pilot is still learning to fly. So if you ever think, "What was I thinking?" chances are, your prefrontal cortex was still buffering. When your prefrontal cortex is tired or stressed, it gets harder to think clearly. You might forget simple things, lose focus, or act on emotion. That's why when you're overwhelmed or sleep deprived, even small decisions feel impossible. Your brain's pilot is exhausted. You can train your prefrontal cortex just like a muscle. Mindfulness or deep breathing helps it calm emotions. Journaling or planning your day keeps it organized. Good sleep recharges it. Taking breaks from screens keeps it focused. Each time you practice self-control or thoughtful decision-making, your brain gets a little stronger at it. Your prefrontal cortex is the quiet pilot guiding every decision you make. It helps you pause, think, and choose your direction, even when emotions are loud. So next time you take a breath before reacting, or decide to do the harder but wiser thing, remember, your brain's pilot just steered you in the right direction.